So in the last videos, sir, I covered up to 77 problems. Okay. So what is the 77th problem? Permutations. Somewhere in our special classes, we discussed about this, right? Sir, next problem, what we need to talk about is LBP number 78. Sir, what is this 78th problem? Remove duplicate characters. What is your task, sir? You have to remove duplicate characters from a string. Suppose if you take any string like this. So consider I have a string is there like ABC. Example sake I am taking. Suppose if I have a string is ABC like this, what output we have to get? ABC only. Suppose ABA is there, then what is the expected answer? Only AB. So that means what? We have to remove duplicate characters. Yes, we have to remove the duplicate characters which are available. Sir, don't worry. Directly I will go with C language implementation. From that you will get some idea. Okay. Sir, LBP number 78. Let me open that. So hello is there means only HE. So next things are not there. Double L is replaced with a single L. Sir, it doesn't mean that you have to remove all the characters. So okay, we have to keep the original data and then you have to remove the duplicates. So first step is nothing but I want to read the string from the user. First step itself, I want to read the data from the user. Okay, after accepting the data from the user, what is your next requirement? I am going to take some loops like ijk. Anyway, in Java, sorry, in C language, the strings are mutable. Okay, the strings are mutable. That's why you can able to do the modifications. Okay, now let us see how you can able to do that. So for I is equal to 0, so s of I plus plus, I am fetching the characters one by one. Okay, we will get all the characters one by one. Next, I am going to compare with the next characters, that is j plus 1. So s of j plus plus. Okay, so I am taking the first character and the second character. But observe carefully. Suppose if my string is welcome, sir, I am going to take w. Okay, now I will compare this w is available anywhere in this particular loop or not. Okay, if it is available, okay, if it is available, simply I am going to continue. Observe carefully. If the value of s of I is double equal to s of j, then I want to take one more loop. What is that loop? K is equal to j, s of k, don't worry, I will explain, k plus plus. So inside these, the instructions are nothing but s of k is equal to s of k plus 1. So finally, you can print the value of yes, sir. Sir, how it is going to work? Very simple, Anna. Have a look once. Suppose welcome W is there. So first I am taking the first character and I am comparing with remaining all the characters. Is W is there here? No. Is W is there here? No. Is W is there here? No. So here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, yes, it is there. So what I am going to do? So I'm taking k is equal to j. K is equal to, what is the value of j here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So k is equal to 7. I am going to replace s of k plus 1, which is nothing but null character, to s of k. So this value will be updated here. So null character means what? Empty. Now, next take the second character E. Is it available? No. Is it available? No. Is it available? No. Is it available? No. Is it available? Yes. So we have to substitute the next character. This will be gone. This is nothing but the characters. Sir, maybe you got very easy string. Let me take something like AB. Sir, AB, BBA, like this. So first it will take A. Is it available? No. Sir, is it available? Yes. If it is available, remove these and substitute all these values so that it will become, sir, BB, sir, BA. Have you observed? Now compare this A with B. No. Compare this A with B. No. Compare this A. Yes. Now copy the duplicate character. That is nothing but empty. So finally we got, after first character comparison, we got like this. That means what? Sir, first character duplication is removed. Now we are taking second character. Is it available? Yes. Copy the next two characters. Again compare. Again compare. Sir, is it available? Yes. Again copy the previous character. Sir, again compare. Is it available? Yes. So that you will get AB. So hope the concept is clear for you people. Let me run the code. Fine, sir. And let me submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are clear. I hope with this you got logic also, sir, how we implemented this. Friends, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Right. Sir, please be actively participate in the sessions. Is it clear? Very good, sir. So let me go for the next one. I want to implement in Java. Java implementation of this program. Sir, observe carefully how I am going to implement in Java. Sir, I am using some different approach here. What is the first step is, I want to declare a scanner class first of all. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. Okay, I accepted the input device. Now I am going to read a string. String s is equal to obj dot next line. We have accepted a string. Sir, I am creating one more string res with empty content. With empty content. Now for each integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Observe carefully. I am taking the character s is equal to, sorry, character ch is equal to, sir, char at of I. In ith position, which character is available, I am getting. Now I will write an if condition. Sir, if that character is not available in the result, then I'm going to take, I'm going to append this character into result set, and I'm going to print the data. Sir, what is this condition? Because we have to write this condition very effectively, so searching operation will become very easy. So in the result string, if index of ch is less than 0 means what? That particular character is not there in the result, then add that character. Suppose if duplicate found, that duplicate should be there in the result set or not? Yes. In such cases we are not going to append the data. Like this scenario it is going to work. Let me run the code. Yes. So cannot find a symbol variable length. Sorry, it is not an array, it is a string. That's why we have to take brackets. Yes, perfectly completed. And let us submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see here all the test cases has been successfully submitted. This is nothing but what we have about Java implementation. So let me take Python implementation also, so that you people will get some correct details. So let me take Python code. So what we have to take in Python, initially I'm going to read the string from the user. So my list is nothing but empty list. For each I value in the string, boss, if the value of I is in, or if it is not in list, that means one by one character I am taking. If that character is not available, please append that character into the list. Okay, so finally that list contains only unique characters. Now I want to join by using this L, sir. That's all. Now let me run the code. Is it working properly or not? Yes, perfect. So let me submit the code. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Hope it is very clear for you people in Python implementation. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts in this program? Please confirm. See, print line. Observe carefully, Aditya. Observe carefully. Suppose if my list contains something like ABC like this. So what the join method is going to do is it will take every element from the list and empty we have given. So with that it will append. Suppose if I am giving so something like a hyphen dot join of L, then the output what we are going to get is A hyphen B hyphen C. This is nothing but based on this delimiter I am going to join. Something like we have seen split, right? Opposite method is nothing but join. Split is going to divide, join will combine. Clear, Aditya? Yes, very good. So I hope it is very clear for each and every person, right? Yes. Shall we go for the next program? Fine, sir. So the next program what we have here is LBP number 79. So what is this program? Swap corner words and reverse the middle characters. We have to swap the corner words and we have to reverse the middle characters. Suppose if the string is A, B, C, D, E, F, M, N, O, X, Y, Z, my output should be, sir, X, Y, Z, then, sir, O, N, M, F, E, D, and then C, B, A. Like this we have to get. So sorry, A, B, C. That means so first word and last word should remain same. Remaining characters we have to reverse, sir. Beyond that nothing is there. Okay, but in Java and Python we can implement very easily because we have some tools are there. Okay, string buffer tool is there, list is there. Using that we can solve. But in C language somewhat hardness is there. Let me try to implement first in C language. Okay, sir, how I am going to implement in C language? Just observe my points, sir. Yes, you can able to see hello welcome to Java. Java is there, hello is there. Meanwhile the characters I interchanged. Okay, now let me take C language first implementation. So what is my implementation here? Sir, I want to take character S of 100 characters. Then, sir, first word 100 characters. Initially the first word contains all empty characters. Last word of 100, sir, which contains all empty characters. Like this we have. So integer ijk I am taking. Sir, I have to read the data. Scanf percentage. Sir, we have more than one character. That's why cap of slash n. Yes, I am taking. Yes, the input is accepted. Now what is your duty? You have to write a loop to copy the first word. So for that, I am writing one beautiful loop. I is equal to 0, S of I plus plus. Okay, fine. Now, K is equal to initially 0. For instead of for loop, I will write while loop. While S of I is not equal to space. That means what? Sir, how many characters we have to copy? Until you are getting space, you have to copy. So for that, K is equal to 0 while S of I is not equal to space. Sir, first word K plus plus is equal to, I am going to take S of I plus plus. Sir, this loop will continuously run until you are going to copy the value of until you are getting space. Then once if the while loop is completed, I think no need to stay in the loop, because first word we extracted. In the same way, we have to extract last word. Sir, how you can able to take the control of last word? Okay, same we can take j loop, right? J is equal to strlen of sir, do you know s minus 1 last character until s of j minus minus we have to take, because decrement I am moving from the reverse direction. Again k is equal to 0, while sir s of j is not equal to space. I'm going to run the loop. That means what? I'm going to copy this content until I'm getting space. Okay, how to copy this? Sir, do you know last word of k plus plus will become, okay, s of j plus plus. So once if you come out from this loop, better to break the loop. Okay, sir, first word secured, last word secured, but last word in the reverse direction it is there, sir, not in forward direction. So at the time of printing we have to print in the reverse direction. Sir, please confirm up to these two operations. Do you have any doubts? Up to these two operations, do you have any doubts? Please confirm. See, suppose if I have ABC is there, MNO is there, something like PQR, XYZ. So my first operation is I want to copy this and I want to copy this, because they told that we have to swap these two. For that I is equal to 0 until getting this character I plus plus one by one character I am reading. And I'm going to store that in first word. So first s of I a copy into that word. Sir, next s of 1 b copy into that word. Sir, next s of 2 c copy into that word. Whenever we are getting a space, we are coming out from this loop. Similarly, last word j is equal to start from this direction, k is equal to 0 until it is not equal to space, copy z. Is it space? No, copy j y. Is it space? No, copy. And then is it space? Yes, it will come out from the loop. Now we got first word and then last word, but last word is in the reverse direction. I hope it is very clear now. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Okay, right, sir. Now, so almost our task is completed, but now what is your requirement? We have to print the remaining data, sir. So what is the first data that we have to print? Last word we have to print at very beginning. Okay, that's why I'm taking for I is equal to strlen of so last word whatever we have, sir, minus 1. Okay, until you are getting s of j, because j value where it is stopped, up to this we have to move. In the previous example you can able to see, so xyz is there means j value is nothing but something like in the reverse direction where it is stopped here. So up to this we have to reverse this content. That's why s of j, and I am taking, sir, j minus minus, sorry, not j, sir. Mm, we can take directly k itself, k greater than or equal to 0, k minus minus. I am fetching one by one character. Now we have to print that character percentage c comma, sir, last word of k. Okay, fine. Now we have to print intermediate words. Okay, so in reverse direction. So hence for k is equal to where it has been stopped, j minus 1, until k greater than or equal to 1, sir, k minus minus I am taking. Now what is your requirement, sir? You have to print percentage c comma s of k. That's all. Now again I think no need to use a print, because the last word right directly we can print. Sir, percentage yes comma first word we have to print. Maybe with one or two errors this program is going to compile successfully. uh have a look once. Sir, Java, no response. 1 minute. Have you observed here not plus plus minus minus? Yeah, here space must be required. That's all. Where space is required after printing first word. This is nothing but first word. Yeah. So here it is expecting some space. So just we captured first word and last word. We interchanged and remaining characters I am printing as it is. That's all. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. Sir, I want to implement the same code in Java. So how you can able to implement? Sir, we can do very easy method, I think so. Let me solve this by using Java, sir. Okay. Sir, how to solve this by using Java? Sir, very simple. Do you know here I'm going to take Java implementation here. So my first step is nothing but a scanner obj is equal to new scanner of, sir, I am taking system dot in, but sir, after accepting the input, okay, after accepting the value of okay string, I am going to split the data. I am going to split the data. So that means a string array I am going to get obj dot next line I am going to read the data dot split off based on space I am going to split. So that what will happen, if the input is Java is very easy, sir, based on spaces, wherever spaces is there it will divide. So in this yes sir, in 0th location Java will be there, in first location is will be there, in second location very will be there, in third location easy will be there. Like this we have. Okay, now what is my requirement? Sir, I have to copy the content. Okay, I have to copy the content. Now observe carefully. Sir, I want to print, okay, I want to print the characters one by one. I want to print the characters one by one. So they are asking the first character to print. So I am taking system dot out dot println, sorry, print of, sir, last character. How you are going to get? So yes means it is an array. Last character, how you can able to get? Boss, yes dot length minus 1 will return the last character plus space I am giving. Let me check up to this is last word came or not. Yes, last word came. Sir, I want to print first word also. Sir, first word we know, since it is an array, the first word is nothing but s of 0 only, right? Let me check. Yes, first word is also got. Remaining characters we have to print, sir. Sir, what are remaining characters in between these? So I am taking a for loop for integer I is equal to. Okay. For integer I is equal to, or what we can take. Okay, for I is equal to, sir, s dot length, which will return the number of elements in the array. Minus 1 already we have taken, minus 2. Sir, I greater than or equal to 0. Okay, I minus minus. Like this I am taking. So we have to print the characters directly. How you can able to print? So system dot out dot print of, s of I. Let me run up to this. So two space is not coming here. Up to welcome it is coming. That means we have to take I greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so to welcome I am getting space is required. So better you can give after this a space. Yes, I think with space no issues, but you have to reverse each and every word. Sir, how to reverse? We know already. We have to go for which concept? So string buffer. String buffer of this one dot reverse method is there. I am applying that reverse method so that the entire string will be converted into reverse. That's all. So let me submit the code. This is the way how you can able to solve this problem by using Java implementation. Okay. So the next one what we have here is Python implementation. Okay. Yes. So Python implementation. Sir, in Python also almost same concept we have to use. So let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. S is equal to input. We are reading the complete string. So S dot split. So it will divide the entire string into tokens based on spaces. Now, what is our requirement? Sir, we have to print this list. Okay. So L of, I will take -1. If you take L is equal to -1, what will happen? The last word it is going to print. Perfect. I want to print first word also. Sir, print of L of 0 is nothing but my first word. Yes. So remaining characters we have to reverse. How to do that? For each I value, what we can take, I think so. Better to use range function. For each value I in the range of, already one element got completed in the list, right? Okay. So length of list I am taking. Length of list -1. Length of list -1. Starting from the reverse direction. The next not run -2. So starting value, ending value is nothing but 0, and every time we have to move one step like this. Now I want to print, sir, L of, okay, I want to print, sir, L of I, and anyway end is equal to empty space. Let me run the code. Yes, you can able to see we got two welcome, but anyway we have to reverse, right? We have to reverse. So reverse means what we have to do? Same L of I colon colon -1 if you take, is it going to reverse or not? Yes, definitely. So this is nothing but how you can able to run this program. Okay, hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in this program, sir? Please confirm. Any doubts in this program? Requesting everyone to respond. Okay. Yes. Sir, the next one what we have here is, sir, LBP number 80. LBP number 80. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem? Observe carefully. LBP number 80. Sir, valid hexadecimal code. So we have to check whether the given code is a valid hexadecimal code or not. Sir, how you can able to check this? Very simple, sir. Observe carefully. Here, create a function that determines whether a string is valid hexadecimal code or not. Okay, whether the string is valid hexadecimal code or not. A hexadecimal code must begin with a pound key hash, and it is exactly how many characters length, sir? 6 characters length. So it must begin with a pound key, and it is having exactly how many characters, sir? 6 characters in the length. Sir, each character must be a digit from 0 to 9. Every character is nothing but must be a digit from 0 to 9, or an alphabetic character from capital A to capital F. So all alphanumeric, I mean all alphabet characters may be uppercase or lowercase. Any case you can take, no problem at all. So that means what? The format is nothing but first key is nothing but hash. So next and after that, how many characters should be there? 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total length will become 7. Okay, sir, compulsory it should contain hash. At the same time, these characters can be either lowercase or uppercase. So I will take one thing, let it be in lowercase. We are going to verify only in lowercase. Sir, how you can able to do this program? Let me do C language implementation first. Sir, how to implement this program in C language? Let me take, oh, some here the input is in uppercase. So better to go with uppercase terminology. Okay. Now, sir, what is the first step? We have to read a string from the user. So I am taking, so character S of 100 characters. I am reading the data. So scanf percentage S comma yes, I am taking. Okay, fine. Now, so integer I is equal to 0. I will maintain a counter value. It is initialized with 0. Now, for each character present in the string, if S of I is available, I plus plus, sir, I am going to convert each and every character into uppercase or lowercase. Sir, first I will check, is your S of 0, is your S of 0, sorry, S of I is greater than or equal to small a, and if your S of I is less than or equal to, don't take Z. Yeah, we have to take Z only, because we are converting lowercase characters into uppercase if any character is mentioned in lowercase. Minus 32. Okay, fine. Now, if your S of 0 is equal to pound symbol, okay, at the same time, strlen of S is equal to 7, then only you have to do this operation, right? What is that operation? Boss, already 0th character is pound. Start from first character, and if your S of I is available, and then I plus plus, sir, every character we are going to check. If that character is greater than or equal to capital A, and if your that character is less than or equal to capital F, that means it is the hexadecimal value. Then what option we have to take? Not only characters, even digits is also allowed, right? So with this, or you can able to take your S of I is greater than or equal to, sir, 0, 0, and S of I less than or equal to, S of I less than or equal to capital, sorry, 9. If any one of these digit came, then counter plus plus we are taking. So with this, we will get a final counter value. Sir, finally I am printing if C is equal to 6, then I want to print the message saying true, otherwise I want to print the message saying false. That's all. So first step, I converted the complete given alphabets in lowercase to uppercase, and second, sorry, lowercase to uppercase. Second, first character is pound symbol or not. At the same time, is that length is 7 characters long or not, I am checking. If both are satisfied, then I'm going to count how many characters are there. So if any alphabet from A to F and if any digit came, then only counter operation is going to be performed. That's all. Let me run the code. Perfect. And submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied successfully. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, what about Java implementation? What about Java implementation? So how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Sir, very simple. Let me take Java code. So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in. But in Java, we have one special concept is there. String s is equal to, so obj dot next line, I am reading the string. Then, sir, directly there is one method is there. System dot out dot, so println of s dot matches function is there. Just you have to pass a regular expression, sir. Based on this regular expression, automatically, sir, is it matched or not, it is going to take. What is a regular expression? It must starts with the pound symbol, and it can contain capital A to capital F or small a to small f, anything you can take. Okay, yeah, correct, Sahit. So or sometimes 0 to 9 is also allowed, right? 0 to 9 is also allowed, sir. Next and after that, so like this, how much length we have to take? Exactly 6 characters, sir. I am talking about only this one. Anyway, this is also there. So if your given string matches any one of this pattern, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Like this, we have matches method is there in Java. By using that, simply we can solve. Perfectly working. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java. So let me go for Python implementation. Sir, I want to solve this problem in Python. Let us see how you can able to solve. Sir, very simple. Python code I am choosing. Sir, in Python also we have regular expressions concept is there. So import re, regular expression I am importing. Next, sir, I am taking re dot full match, re dot full match of, sir, whatever regular expression is there, I am taking that regular expression. I am taking that regular expression. Sir, if this regular expression is matched with input, is matched with input, and this re dot full match is not equal to none, then my requirement is nothing but I want to print the message saying true when if it is not equal to none. Otherwise, I am going to print the message called false. That's all. Let me run the code. Is it working or not? Perfectly working. And submit the code what we have. So you can able to see here all the test cases are passed successfully. So I hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Is it clear? So this is nothing but what we have. So that's all about today's session. Remaining things we will discuss in our next session, sir. Okay, that is on tomorrow as usual at 7:30. Okay, I will update the running notes within few minutes. You can able to download. So thank you, friends. We will meet tomorrow.